Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the "we need more information's" error in Amazon Shopping in 2026. If Amazon shows you "we need more information" text, it usually means your account, payment, or order needs additional verification. This is common in 2026 and this is often related to security checks, and the good news is it's usually easy to fix. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. Before we start, the Amazon app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You're just going to go to the Play Store and then you're going to search for the Amazon Shopping app. Once you find it, you're going to click on install in its app page, and then you can start shopping via the app just like this. Type in Amazon app and you're going to download this one right here. And you're going to open the app and make sure to log in with your account and you can start shopping there. Now let's go back to our topic and fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is to check your email immediately. Amazon normally sends an email explaining what information is missing, what action you need to take, and check your inbox or spam folder in the Gmail application. The second step is to verify the payments method. Sometimes Amazon needs billing address confirmation, card verification, or identity confirmation. So make sure your details match exactly with your bank records. You can access this by clicking on your profile icon, and then you're going to click on the gear icon to access your settings. And then you can also click on your profile icon here on your name, and then you can access your informations, the settings of your informations, and you can access them. You can also upload requested documents if required. Now, if Amazon asks for a verification, follow the link provided and upload clear and accurate documents and avoid blurry photos. And that's it. The "we need more information" message is usually a security check, not a ban. Once you provide the requested details, Amazon typically restores normal access. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.